Welcome to Décor Studio. In today's video, we're diving into the top indoor garden decor trends for 2025 that will transform your home into a lush, stylish sanctuary. Whether you're a fan of vertical garden walls, Zen-inspired corners, or smart garden technology, these concepts blend greenery and design in the most creative ways. From Eco-Chic Terrariums to sculptural plant stands, we'll explore innovative ideas to bring nature indoors while keeping your space modern and functional. Get ready to discover how you can turn your home into a fresh, vibrant haven that reflects the beauty of the outdoors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us as we grow into the future of home decor. Idea number 1. Vertical garden walls. Vertical gardens continue to be a major trend, bringing lush greenery into compact spaces. These walls feature cascading plants like pothos, ivy, or ferns arranged on modular panels. Incorporate built-in irrigation systems and LED grow lights for easy maintenance. A vertical garden is both functional and aesthetically striking, perfect for apartments or urban homes. Idea number 2. Hanging plant displays. Suspended greenery is a stylish way to add depth and texture to your indoor space. Use macrame hangers, sleek metal frames, or clear glass pots for an airy, elegant look. Hanging plants like spider plants, string of pearls, or air plants are ideal for this decor trend. Idea number 3. Smart garden pods. Embrace technology with sleek smart garden pods that allow you to grow herbs and small plants indoors effortlessly. These futuristic systems include automated watering, built-in lighting, and app connectivity, blending functionality and style seamlessly. Idea number 4. Biophilic room dividers. Create natural room dividers with plant shelves or frames filled with greenery. These dividers provide privacy while improving air quality and adding a unique aesthetic. Ideal for open-plan living spaces, biophilic dividers bring nature indoors in a functional way. Idea number 5. Indoor tropical retreats. Transform your space into an exotic escape with tropical plants like monstera, bird of paradise, and palms. Add bamboo or rattan furniture, woven baskets, and natural textures to complete the look. This trend brings vacation vibes home. Idea number 6. Edible indoor gardens. Grow your food with edible indoor gardens. Create a setup with herbs, microgreens, and dwarf fruit trees on stylish tiered shelves or kitchen countertops. This trend combines sustainability and modern design. Idea number 7. Zen Plant Corners **. Design calming corners with bonsai trees, moss gardens, and smooth pebbles to create a zen-like atmosphere. Add a low table and soft lighting to complete your serene retreat for meditation or relaxation. Idea number 8. Eco-Chic Terrariums. Terrariums are perfect for small spaces and make for stylish focal points. Use geometric glass containers to house succulents, moss, or air plants, and add decorative sand or stones for texture. Idea number 9. Sculptural plant stands. Combine greenery with art by using sculptural plant stands. Choose stands in modern shapes or unique materials like metal, ceramic, or wood to create visual interest while displaying your plants. Idea number 10. Indoor water features with plants. Pair indoor fountains or water walls with greenery for a soothing combination. Incorporate aquatic plants like water lilies or ferns to enhance the tranquil vibe. This trend is perfect for entryways or meditation areas. Idea number 11. Vintage greenhouse aesthetic. Capture the charm of a vintage greenhouse with mismatched pots, rustic shelving, and an abundance of potted plants. Add antique-inspired decor pieces for a nostalgic yet stylish vibe. Idea number 12. Multifunctional green spaces asterisk. Combine plants with functional furniture. For instance, coffee tables with built-in planters or benches with storage and greenery are trending. These designs merge practicality and natural beauty. That's all the top 12 indoor garden decor trends for 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with Decorio Studio.